In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the upper radiator support bushing on your Nissan Altima, located behind the front bumper. Remove the 4 clips on top of the grille. After you take out the 4 clips on top of the grille, there's going to be a clip on the side. Push in to release the clip and pull the grille forward. Do the same thing on the other side. There's 2 more clips on the bottom of the grille. Reach your arm inside and under. Push up on the bottom of the clip to release it. And do the same thing on the other side. Remove the grille. Push the clips out and pull off. Pull the radiator support bushing clip off. Pull the old support bushing out and install the new radiator support bushing. Reinstall the radiator support bushing clip and push until it clicks. Install the grille, line up all the clips, push in, install the 4 clips back into the top of the grille.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.